Studio Squad, welcome to Kiara's Studio. In this video, you will see me help volunteer to clean up the streets in Baltimore City. You will also see me unbox my new MacBook Pro that I purchased myself from Best Buy.
As we walk through this culturally diverse neighborhood, the neighbors were so appreciative that we were there to assist in the cleanup. Some of the neighbors had beautiful vegetable gardens, which also inspired me to continue to grow my own food. Fiber. I don't know how to say it. Fiber wire.
Yeah, fiber wire. Then it's something other name.
Yeah. It don't matter. You know, like, we all need help. If you hear that noise in the background, it's my puppy. I'm sorry. I was at the cleanup for the recent explosion that happened in Baltimore City streets. I was there along with my brother and lots of other volunteers. I'm so happy that people were able to come out and assist with cleaning up all the debris. And after that, I went to Best Buy to pick up an adapter for my new MacBook Pro. Please watch my new MacBook Pro unboxing video. All I did at Best Buy was I made a pickup order because I didn't feel like going in shopping. My feet are moist because I have these rubber boots on. I purchased the latest 2020 MacBook Pro in the color Space Gray. The starting retail price for this particular MacBook Pro is $1,999.99. That is the price before any of the additional items that I purchased from Best Buy. This MacBook Pro is definitely worth the $2,000 price tag. My Apple MacBook Pro is the 13-inch display with touch bar. The processor is 2 gigahertz quad core Intel Core i5. It has 1 terabyte and the Intel Iris Plus graphics. Inside of the box has the MacBook Pro, the USB-C power adapter, and the USB-C charge cable. Apple also included a small introductory booklet for the MacBook Pro, along with their famous Apple stickers. It came with 4 months free of Apple Music and Apple News. I got the additional 3-year plan for Apple Care. My MacBook Pro is protected with security software that I purchased from Best Buy. Best Buy gave me a gift from Shutterfly. I could either spend $25 on the Shutterfly website, or I can get an 8x8 photo book from them. My MacBook Pro has a 13-inch Retina display with True Tone, a Magic Keyboard, the Touch Bar and Touch ID, the Force Touch trackpad, and the 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. It also has a port for me to plug in my Apple EarPods. I usually use my EarPods when I am editing a video. I am finally turning on my new laptop and setting it up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Transferring information from my MacBook Air to my new MacBook Pro was very easy to do. It was also a quick process.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiara Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. Make sure you check out my website as well. My website address is listed in the description of this video. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.